Elementary school kids are the happiest people on earth. Let me tell you why. Because you have recess. Well, what happens during recess? You ignite your happy brain chemicals.
Cousin Danny was amazing.
And I bring energy, positivity, happiness through movement.
They really learned how movement can really create joy in your life.
And we all have 4 happy brain chemicals. They spell the word dose. D-O-S-E.
You're getting an experience for your school community that's going to reverberate through the rest of the school year.
What does D stand for? Very good, cousins. D stands for dopamine. O stands for oxytocin. What does O stand for? Very good, cousins. S stands for serotonin. What does S stand for? And E stands for endorphins. What does E stand for?
When do you see kids leave an educational event with a huge smile, full of life and full of energy? And I think that's a lesson we all really, could take from the presentation today.
When you are in a happy state, when you wake up your happy brain chemicals, you are able to make smart choices. There is a very famous school called Harvard University. They did a study on dancing. And they found out that if you learn a dance routine, you become smarter. You create new neurons in your brain, new brain cells, new neurons in your brain when you learn something new.
You could just feel the buzz in the room of how excited they were to hear that movement can contribute to their happier self.
Continue to move, spread happiness. Super happy to be here. My name is Cousin Danny. I will see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.